Hey guys, so why am I so happy?
Get ready.
Wait, hold on. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another weekly vlog. Y'all can see my tan line real bad. But anyways, yeah, and I have not, well, I missed a lot of weekly vlogs, but I think I told y'all before, if I start recording it and I find like it's boring or something that's like something I wouldn't watch personally, then I don't put it out there. Like if I like start editing it and be like, and I'm like, I'm not really feeling this, then I literally won't put it out because I only put out content like I will watch myself. So yeah, but anyways, I have my natural hair out right now because I'm about to go get it braided down so I can just throw a wig back on it. My natural hair is going through some things right now. Like it's really long. I'll show y'all later when my sister's on it, but it's like this whole side is like breaking off and it's making me really sad right now. So I'm gonna get it like braided down this way to try to help with the breakage over there. Like this side is like, you can tell the difference. It's like crazy, and it's not because of wigs, because I don't do the bald cat method. Like I don't put my wigs on like that. So I don't know why like just that area is like that, and it's only that side. So but yeah, I'm about to go to my mom's house so my sister can braid my hair. I'm gonna take my camera. I think this is charged. This should be charged, but I'll take extra battery too. But yeah, I'm gonna vlog, y'all. I'm gonna vlog.
Oh my god, there's no way. How does it hurt? You brought the widest combs in America. Get ready.
Wait, hold on.
Oh my god.
How are you braiding it?
Down. It's the only braid going
I'm about to
down.
cry. Hold on.
Mom, make her stop. I can't do this.
Don't do it tight though.
When did my braids be tight?
I don't remember.
You don't remember? Yeah, because it's been 2 years. It hurts?
That wasn't something she came up with after I left. I made that.
Are you braiding?
What do you think I'm doing? Putting it in another knot?
What happened?
Can you go running from me? I'm closer. Last break. There's no way you're just not turning that thing back on after you cried for 2 hours. They missed all them knots come out of your hair and
it's
everything. No, you're faking.
What?
You're being fake.
What do you mean?
Show them the real you. You cried.
I did when I first.
No, you didn't cry when you just were crying. By this point, my arms are aching. I hope you leave this for sound.
Ow. Okay. I feel like you're being smart now.
What? How? Why?
Because you weren't even doing it that hard.
She said I'm being smart now. That's how rough this shit is.
No, you weren't even doing all that.
That line?
Oh, what?
I would hope you would not put that line on your forehead.
I already
You showed them that?
It's obvious as hell. What do you mean?
I don't know. Fuckers be trying to hide things.
Hi. You look like you're getting bigger. Hi. Hi. Come here. Hi. What? Get off my shoe. Hi, Rover. Hi. Say out to the vlog. Bye.
Oh, never mind.
Throw a wig back on already. Hey guys, so why am I so happy? It's literally, what is it? It's almost 2 o'clock Sunday morning. I just got back from being out with my sisters and I forgot to record like the process of me getting ready because I was recording. Fuck. I was taking my bracelet off and I hurt myself. But because I was recording to get ready with me for TikTok, my first one. So yeah, sorry I didn't record it, but you watched it on TikTok. Let me show you. What's my TikTok? I think it's the same as my YouTube. Danielle, y'all can't even see. But yeah. Get ready with me to go out with my sisters. My sister literally just asked us to go out and it's like, I mean, a TikTok, get ready with me, my first one. Oh no, my TikTok's Danielle. But go follow me on there. I wore this shirt. I actually need to do a haul with this, but I don't know why I just didn't wear something in my closet. It's, you know when you get new clothes and you just want to wear them. So I'm actually gonna put this, I only wear it for a couple hours, y'all, but I'm actually just gonna put this back in a bag so I remember to haul it when I do my Shein haul, because that's coming soon. I don't know when this video is going up, but y'all probably see this video before y'all, yeah, y'all see this video before y'all see my Shein haul. But I'm trying to take these bracelets off. Oh my god. But yeah, I am about to take this. I really ain't got too much makeup on. I just put go watch the TikTok. I was rushing, but yeah, I just really have my brows, lashes, and concealer on, which that's all I'll really be doing anyways lately, especially in the summer. It'd be too hot. And also these earrings I got on are from Shein. I'm doing a Shein accessory haul soon. And I put these glasses on. I had the glasses like this. Like it was a mood. It was cute. These are gonna be my accessory haul too. So I'm gonna put all this shit back in the perspective bags they come in so I can remember to do these in my haul, because I was not supposed to wear this stuff until I hauled it, but I did anyways because I couldn't wait. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all me. Cause I know I be getting on my vlogs looking a mess. You know, have to throw it back on after I got my hair braided. But anyways, I'm about to take some pictures on Instagram and then go to sleep. And I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow. Oh, I really need to, I'll tell y'all tomorrow, but yeah, maybe if I remember, I'll probably tell y'all tomorrow. But yeah, I'm about to get ready for bed. Bye. Hey guys, I have aloe, is that how you say it? Aloe, I don't know, I have stuff on my face because I got sunburn, so my face looks like dry. It's making my face really dry. I don't know if it's supposed to do that, but yeah. Anyways, I just came on here because I was supposed to be looking for a new car this week, and I totally forgot that I don't have the title to my current vehicle and I need to trade that in to get a new vehicle. And I am so upset with myself because I knew this forever that I was looking for a car this week, And for some reason it slipped my mind. They're doing like work outside of my apartment building, so that's the noise. It slipped my mind, even though I knew for weeks that I needed a new like duplicate title, because I never got my original one for some reason. But so this is great. So now I really want a new car, and now I feel like I have to wait because well, I am gonna have to wait because I don't have my title, and I just got so mad. So now it's a holiday today. It's, well, yesterday was Juneteenth. It's the 20th, which is like the observed holiday because Juneteenth was on a Sunday. So nothing's open for me to even call around. I'm trying to look online to see like how I can get one, and I don't know if I can even get one same day, if it's possible. And if it is, it's like going to the DMV is like my worst nightmare. I hate it. I'm very upset. But anyways, I'm still gonna go clean out my car. I had planned on cleaning out my car today because I wanted to go look either tomorrow or Wednesday for a new car. So I don't know, I guess I'm gonna go clean out my car because I plan on doing it anyways, because it has like a bunch of stuff in it, like even for me moving into my apartment in December of last year. So it's like I still have like a box of like clothes in there, I'm pretty sure. So I don't even know what kind of clothes are in there, but it needs a vacuum really bad. I just cleaned out, so I'm still just gonna go do that this morning. What time is it? It is 9:10. So yeah, I'm just gonna go do that still, even though plans might have changed. But yeah, I just wanted to check in with y'all. I guess I'll take y'all with me to clean out my car. Okay, bye. My car is so filthy. I feel like I'm gonna need like one little cycle for each like section. I don't know how to say it. I don't even know the last time I vacuumed this. Okay, I have so many quarters in my car, so we're good. Not me hitting my car with it. Okay. I probably look so dumb. Quarters only. Spider. What the fuck? I was like right by it too. Move, the spider is big and I'm scared. And this vacuum isn't sucking up very good. Oh blew from where I was because this guy who is still sitting over where he was is fucking, he like pulled up next to my car, like not super close but like kind of close, and he just is sitting there, and he like reclined his seat all the way back, and he's literally just sitting there, like not, this is a car wash and like vacuum place, and there was no one else there but me and him. And he's literally just sitting there in his car with his seat like reclined all the way back and not doing anything, and it's giving me creep vibes. So I moved. I can see him from right here, but I'm further away because I don't want to be that close to him in case I gotta, yeah. But I don't know what he's doing. Creepy man left, so I'm gonna finish vacuuming my car because I feel more comfortable now, but it's hot, it's getting hot. Hi, I am back from clean out my car and stuff. So I was gonna literally take everything, because I told you I got a lot of stuff in my car still. So I was supposed to spend a day doing that, but since I'm not getting a car this week like I thought I was, I'm gonna have me a content day. Film a bunch of content all day. I gotta I'm gonna film a Shein haul. I got a big Shein haul to film. It's a lot of accessories, but like some clothes too. I need to film 2 different TikToks for the Shein haul. Then what else do I have to do? That's probably gonna take most of the day for real. That should take so long. And then I might take pictures for Instagram. Yeah, so that's today. It's 11:45. I'm eating breakfast. I'm eating applesauce and a fruit bar because I have no food. I need to go grocery shopping too. I think I'm gonna end this vlog right here. It might be shorter, but honestly, part of the reason why I wasn't uploading my weekly vlogs consistently is because of the length of them, because it takes a long time like to pull that stuff and edit. So especially because I film on my camera, like if it was on my phone it'd be a lot easier because you could just like literally like go through and like edit it really quick, but it's a process when you film on your camera because it just is. But we want y'all to have good quality videos, so that's why I do it on my camera. But yeah, yeah, I am ending this vlog here, and I'll see you guys next weekly vlog or my next video, whichever comes first. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.